Here we go, Mama Grace. Now we've got real snow. Blizzard 2016 in Philadelphia. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out tomorrow to take any shots for you because it's supposed to get bad. 18 to 24 inches. But here we go for tonight. Looks like an animal or something came across here in some tracks. And the snow is falling. Let me see if I can zoom in. We got some folks over here, Mama Grace, trying to dig out their cars. We don't know where they're going because nobody can move. Look at this. There is a lot of snow out there. And it's still coming. Blowing. Windy, cold.
And two knuckleheads.
And as Laverne said, and two knuckleheads out there burying their car. There's a lot of flakes out there, Mom, and the snowflakes are not what we have to worry about. It is the human flakes that are the greatest concern because they don't make any sense. So here we are, live in Philadelphia with the blizzard of 2016, and we send our love. Say hi, Vern.
Hi, Mom. Love you. Here's the snow you wanted.
It's all for you, Mama Grace. We're going to pack it right up, put it in a box, and send it on its way. Okay, here's the view out the back, Mama Grace. It's really piling up. It's kind of funny how our driveway is clear, but on the other side, it's all blown up against the other side of the driveway there. But that's because the winds are so strong today. So, we might get out here, maybe sometime in March. I don't see any paratransit coming down the road here, or the driveway, anytime soon. But we'll see. Hope you're enjoying your 60-degree cold front.
She said she might need a jacket.
Ooh, hope you have to get the jacket out. All right, Mama Grace. Bye-bye.